In this week's social status, the New England Revolution proudly applauds its players who have spoken up in response to the death of George Floyd and the ensuing nationwide protests for social justice. As professional athletes, the Revs players have platforms and an opportunity to create positive change. Defender DeJuan Jones expressed on Twitter and Instagram the challenges of growing up as a Black individual. Jones said he hopes to use his degree in elementary education to empower young Black males. Quote, "As an educator, we have the opportunity to have a lasting effect on all of the children of our future and the obligation to teach them to love one another regardless of social, racial, and ethnic backgrounds. I pray that one day my children and grandchildren can live in America and not be judged by the color of their skin, but the content of their character." Defender Brandon Bai expressed a similar sentiment about the importance of education on the Black Lives Matter movement. Bai posted a black and white photo with his teammates of color saying, quote, "Stand united, educate yourself, and be a part of the solution, not the problem." He paired it with a Martin Luther King quote, "The time is always right to do what is right." Veteran Andrew Farrell used his platform to help people of different skin colors better understand the movement. He wrote, quote, "Don't be mad you don't have a movement. Be happy you don't need one. Black Lives Matter today and every day. Hashtag Blackout Tuesday." As a white male, goalkeeper Jeff Caldwell said that he's doing his best to watch, listen, and absorb the messages of his Black neighbors. Caldwell says not only is he donating, but he's also evaluating his actions and lack thereof and the impacts that they have on different communities. Quote, "White people, we must be willing to speak out, to act, to be humbled, to learn both when to stand up and when to sit down." The Revolution Squad stood together in solidarity with the Black Lives Matter movement by posting black squares on Blackout Tuesday. The Revs roster understands that as professional athletes, they have platforms to help inspire positive change. Educate yourself, listen to other people, and take the time to look inward to figure out how you can be a part of the solution. That's a look at the Revs players' social status this week. For the New England Revolution, I'm Elizabeth Pehota.